Burnett River is the 7th most polluting catchment, delivering fine sediments into the Great Barrier Reef. The Improving Land Management and Water Quality in the Burnett Catchment Project aims to stop 16,000 tonnes of sediment flowing through to the reef. This sediment flow impacts a range of threatened species and ecological communities. Weather events such as cyclones and flooding in the region have caused a huge amount of destruction and would continue to do so each year without remedial action. When floodwaters recede, the impact of such weather events can be seen through cavernous openings where sediment has been removed and natural habitat and topsoil has flowed downriver. The project has identified high-volume sediment erosion sites, addressing erosion mitigation and bank stabilisation, undertaking weed management, fencing, native habitat revegetation and feral animal control, as well as educating landholders on sustainable land management. The restoration of 5 large-scale sites is almost complete. Traditional owners of the region have established native revegetation, and they are managing pest and weed control. Water quality monitoring has also been baselined through CQU's Coastal Marine Ecosystem Research Centre. The project will continue to deliver final earthworks required. We are installing a weather station as well as a telemetry network and sensors. Soil testing and ongoing water quality sampling will continue to be undertaken, and we will work with neighbouring landholders for future land management improvement.